There we are. So good morning. Today is Wednesday, November 29th, and we are working through the last little bit of Computer Science 1010 and ES 1060. So if you take a look at our Moodle page right now, we have completed the midterm exam, which was a long time ago, and then we've completed all of our work with MATLAB. And now we are working our way through Excel. And we've done all of the preliminary material, chapters 1 through 6 in Excel. And hopefully you've now become very proficient with Excel. So really chapters 1 through 5, or maybe even chapters 1 through 4, is about everything that most users of Excel ever do. So you've already exceeded, if you're through chapter 4, or definitely through chapter 5, you've already exceeded the common everyday usage of Excel. And then we've stepped into using Excel as a programming environment using macros and Visual Basic. So I have the textbook. I've had to take down some of the textbook. I can't leave everything up due to copyright laws. But if you need something, just let me know and we'll figure it out. But right now we're working on chapters 14 and 15. And on this Friday, theoretically, you will submit chapters 14 and 15. Now, that gives us an extra week. Good morning, Anna. That gives us an extra week to get caught up before finals. So this week, ending in December 1, we'll have all of the assignments out there. And what we'll do for the following week is just get caught up. The following week, Monday, December 11th through Friday, December 15th, is the week in which we have final exams. Now, this is basically the final exam schedule for fall of 2023. And as you can see, it's blocked out by hours of when your class normally meets. So for this class, we meet Monday, Wednesday, and for Computer Science 1010, also Friday, from 9 until 9:50. So that means that our final exam block is Wednesday, December 13th, from 9:30 to 11:20 a.m. I also have a class that meets in this exact same classroom immediately following. Well, the class is at 1, but the final is immediately following, is what I mean to say. So you can take your final exam here, or you can also take it here. Now, that's going to be absolutely face-to-face. The other time that I have available that any of my students can take finals is on Friday, December 15th from 2 till 2. Well, the class is from actually longer than that, right? It goes from 2 to 3:40. That's our lab. But that's going to be Friday, December 15th from 9:30 in the morning until 11:20. There's going to be another period on here where we can take finals because I'm doing a physics final. Oh, no, that's at 9 o'clock. So it'll be at the same time. And then I always do a Hail Mary on Friday, the finals day, from essentially from 3:30 until 6 or 6:30. And that's Zoom only. This is by appointment only. So in other words, if something happens and you are not able to take your final at one of these other times, you need to make an appointment with me and schedule the final, and we can take it there. There's also other options. If you have something dramatic happen to you and you need to take your final at a different time, I'll make arrangements with you. But without arrangements, these are the times that are available to you. All right. And in this class, it's expected that we meet face-to-face for the final exam. So if there's a reason that you cannot meet face-to-face, a valid reason, you need to discuss that with me, and we'll figure out what our options are at that point. So that's sort of the bookkeeping for our class. Do you guys have any questions for me about the coursework, or about where we are, or about what's expected, or about the finals, or anything else at all? So, so the other part of it is that I mentioned this the last time. I wanted to mention it again, especially for computer science students. The course Computer Science 2150 which is machine or computer organization, is not going to be offered. So if you were in that class, the class has been canceled, but there's an option for you to take Computer Science 2050 through Sheridan College, which is Intro to SQL. That course is also a requirement for computer science majors. And I visited with the instructors at Sheridan, and they understand that you may be taking that. There's a quick registration process to sign up for that course. And I also did talk with Amanda Enriquez from the International Student Office, because half of the students who are enrolled in that class were international students, and it will work for you. It's still an online class, so you still have to have 9 credits or whatever your requirement is for face-to-face, but there's no barrier to an international student taking that class. All right. So any other questions? All right, well, that is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. I will be in my office all day today and all day Thursday. I'll also be off and on Friday. But if you need to schedule an appointment with me, please remember you can come by, or the better way to do it is to use that Calendly link. If you take a look at the top of our Moodle page, it's somewhere down here. Anyway, or at the bottom of any of my, I had it right here. Guess not. So if you take a look at my, my email, anytime that you receive an email from me, you will have at the bottom a link. There we go. We'll pull up the new email, and there it is. The Calendly link that's at the bottom of my email. If you use that Calendly link, you will have access to my schedule, and that way you can schedule a time where nobody else is going to interrupt us. So don't hesitate to use that. Also, don't hesitate to stop by. We are on a home stretch. We're just, all the assignments for this class are out there, and now it's just a matter of getting stuff worked through. So, all right. So if you have no questions, that's it for today. I will look forward to seeing you in my office, or we may not, Computer Science 1010 may or may not have a lecture this Friday. I'm still debating that, but if we don't, we will meet again on Monday, and we'll have lab on Monday. So hopefully we can get some of this stuff all knocked out of the ballpark. So, all right, guys.